Today's human mobility is driven by global transformations, such as growing inequalities, violent conflicts, environmental degradation. This requires constant reflection on how to better respond to these realities. Russia's invasion of Ukraine has resulted in unprecedented pressures on migration policy and migration management systems in the Republic of Moldova. Over 1 million refugees passed through its territory. New trends on legal and irregular migration to Moldova are being observed. Against this backdrop, IOM was asked to establish a protocol on how to effectively analyze current policies and how to pinpoint gaps that are appearing. So we asked ourselves, how can IOM bring something to the table, something credible for our host government to consider? We had already conducted several MGI assessments on existing policies, laws, and frameworks dealing with migration. The mission has also undertaken several DTM surveys after February 2022, covering vulnerabilities and the needs of displaced and mobile populations. The innovation lies in the merger of these two data sets. Immediately, we started to identify specific gaps. This helped start a co-creation process between local policy developers, practitioners, and the migrants themselves. This joint MGI DTM initiative was pilot tested in 2 cities in Moldova, Cahul and Balti. We have testimonials from local government and refugee representatives. They felt there is a clear roadmap on how to improve access to services and integration measures for mobile populations. Moving forward, partnering with members of the National UN Migration Network, civil society representatives, this will be key. The merger of MGI and DTM data sets have already produced concrete recommendations for Cahul and Balti on updating migration policies in areas such as targeting information, availability of healthcare, and increasing extracurricular spaces for children and adolescents. We have clearly established that this innovation can be used where migration patterns have been disrupted and where policy responses need to be adapted rapidly. There is also a use case for this approach on improving national adaptation plans where there are indications of climate-induced migration.